Hello guys, in this video, I will show how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. In the top right corner of Google Chrome, click the three dots, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left sidebar, choose Privacy and Security, and once that page opens, scroll down and select Security, Safe Browsing at the bottom. On this page, keep scrolling until you reach the Advanced section, where you'll see the option Use Secure DNS. Under Select DNS Provider, it will likely be set to Clean Browsing, a family filter. Change this setting to either Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Both are reliable options, but in this case, we'll select Cloudflare DNS. After making the change, back out of the settings, refresh YouTube on the page where you were experiencing the error, then click your profile picture in the top right corner and return to restricted mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.